Hello everyone, so here is the problem today. In this video we're going to do a very simple math problem and you're going to be surprised that many of you are actually going to get this wrong. So I don't want you to use your calculator right here. So here is the problem. We have 8 divided by 4 and in parentheses 1 plus 1. And of course, what is the answer right here? Of course, most of you out there like, yes, I can handle this. I can handle this problem. This is basic division, basic multiplication, basic addition. I learned this stuff in the 3rd grade. So right now I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself real quick and write your answer down in the comment section. And I'm going to show you the correct answer here in just 1 minute and we will check our answer, okay? So obviously, whatever order you select is going to create a different answer. So do you do division first, then multiplication, then parentheses, or maybe first parentheses, multiplication, division, or multiplication, parentheses, division? So a lot of orders, a lot of combinations right here. So whatever order you select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. And for this question, I have two main popular order in the world. We have PEMDAS and PEMDAS, two main popular order in the world. But I want to say a little notes about these two orders. So the first one is PEMDAS and there is like a PEMDAS order. So as you can see, this PEMDAS order is the old one. So a lot of internet libraries, maybe all internet libraries, works according to PEMDAS order. Yep. So Wolfram Alpha, maybe Scientific Graphing Calculator, all internet libraries nowadays work with PEMDAS order. PEMDAS is the old one, but I want to show you this PEMDAS order of operations. Yeah. So the first one, we have parentheses in PEMDAS and moreover we have the same step in PEMDAS. Yeah. So we have the first same step, so we need to start with parentheses. So I take away this PEMDAS because this is the old one and let's solve it with PEMDAS order. So I rewrite this problem once more. So 8 divided by 4 and in parentheses 1 plus 1. Yeah, so the first step parentheses in both methods, so there will be a mistake when we start with these parentheses. So in parentheses we have 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Yep, so right here we have 2. So I rewrite this problem because in the beginning we have 8 divided by 4 and times 2. And right now a lot of discussion, a lot of difficulties with this next step because maybe a lot of students know about parentheses at first, but what about this step? We have 8 divided by 4 and times 2. A lot of students solve it, okay, 4 times 2 equal to 8 and then divide. But let's see, will be correct or not correct. So as you can see, we have multiplication division, but one really interesting tricky moment. We need to solve it as a group. So multiplication division is one group. And now we need to scan. Are there any division multiplication sign right here? Yes, we have only division and multiplication sign. And then we need to scan what is the first sign from left to right. So the first sign from left to right is this division. So we need to start with this division. So 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. And we still have this multiplication. So 2 times 2 equal to 4. So as you can see, according to PEMDAS order, answer is 4. Option C. So I hope your answer is the same as mine. But a lot of students solve it in this way. So a lot of students do this step right here. So 8 divided by 4 and times 2. A lot of students want to solve it with this multiplication at first. And when we multiply, they will have like 8 divided by 8 equal to 1. But it's absolutely incorrect because, but when will be correct? When you put parentheses, okay, if you want to start with this multiplication, just put the brackets right here, parentheses, and you will have like, okay, 4 times 2 equal to 8. This is really great. Then 8 divided by 8 equal to 1. But in our case, we don't have parentheses, so we need to work step by step with PEMDAS order. Of course, a lot of countries, a lot of discussion about this order of operations. So write it down in the comment section. What do you think about this solution? Maybe in your country you solve it in another way. It will be really interesting to read about it. And of course, thank you for watching. Definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong, okay? Now if you need to learn basic math, interesting brain test, IQ question, if you're struggling with pre-algebra concept, you can easily subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I want to say thank you for your support. I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematical adventures. Thank you for your time and have a great day.